The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Kit is designed to simplify the heat pressing process, allowing users to effortlessly manage their projects with its automated features. This comprehensive kit includes 52 essential accessories, offering everything needed for creating customized t-shirts, making it ideal for both beginners and craft enthusiasts. The heat press machine heats up quickly and evenly, reaching the desired temperature in just a few minutes, thanks to advanced dual-tube heating technology. With multiple practical modes, including fast and custom settings, this machine is perfect for scaling up production and achieving professional quality results. The inclusion of high-quality heat-resistant materials such as Teflon sheets and sublimation tape ensures reliable and precise pressing every time. The HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Kit provides excellent value, combining a wide array of versatile tools with superior performance for all your crafting needs.